Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you an easy dinner recipe. We're making chicken and sweet potatoes baked in a delicious honey garlic sauce. It's so easy to put this recipe together and you only need a few ingredients that you probably already have sitting in your pantry. So let's get started. Alright you guys, we're going to start with 2 large sweet potatoes and we're going to peel these and cut them up into little cubes like so. Then you're going to grab your baking sheet and line it with tin foil to make cleanup easy for you. Go ahead and transfer the cut up sweet potatoes onto your baking sheet. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of baby carrots, 1 large sliced onion, and in this bowl I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add those right in. And I'm using about 1 pound of chicken thighs. Go ahead and season your chicken and veggies with salt and pepper. Then you're going to set them aside for later and make the honey garlic sauce. To make the honey garlic sauce, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil in my bowl. Into that, I'm adding 4 cloves of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and last I have a teaspoon of dried rosemary, dried oregano, and dried basil. Drop those in and mix everything together. Go ahead and pour your sauce all over your chicken and veggies. Then you're going to use your bare hands to mix everything together. And be careful not to poke holes in the tin foil, otherwise all the sauce will seep through the tin foil. Once you've mixed everything together, you're going to put your oven at 410 degrees Fahrenheit and bake your chicken and potatoes for 50 to 60 minutes. I like my sweet potatoes extremely soft and soggy, so I baked mine for exactly 60 minutes. If you like yours a little firm, just bake them for 50 minutes, okay guys? And here it is, fresh out of the oven. It smells so good. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. The chicken and veggies have caramelized in the sauce. I like to toss everything around to coat in the sauce. It doesn't look the best, but don't judge a book by its cover. This is going to blow your mind. It is so good. The sweet potatoes are my favorite. They're so soft and really sweet. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.